Season 3, and this season is called
Snacks and Ladders. Snacks and Ladders.
Snacks and Ladders, because we're making snacks for kids to take to school, as well as snacks that moms can make when they come home from school. We're making popsicles, and popsicles are yummy, right, Daria?
Yeah.
Today's recipe is, Daria?
Ready, ready, bang, bang.
Ready, ready, bang, bang, because it has watermelon in it and it's red, so we're gonna call it ready, ready, bang, bang. Are you ready, ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Ready, ready, bang, bang.
So let's go ahead and tell you what the ingredients are.
And the ingredients are watermelon, strawberry yogurt, medium banana.
Okay, now Daria, this is a two-step process, okay? First, we have to put in the watermelon. We're going to blend the watermelon, and that's going to create one layer for the popsicle. Then we'll freeze that layer, and we'll make the next layer with banana and strawberry yogurt.
Yeah.
Okay? So here, let's start with the watermelon. Can you put in the watermelon for me? Just pour in the whole thing. Okay, Daria, now we're gonna blend the watermelon, okay?
Okay.
And after we're done blending the watermelon, we're gonna go ahead and blend the bananas with the strawberry yogurt. Okay. Okay, Daria, now that I've already blended it, we're gonna go ahead and pour it. Come, let's take these off. Okay, Daria, now that we've poured them, let's stick these in. Okay, and these are gonna now go and freeze. Okay, and once we're done freezing these, in the meantime, we're going to take the bananas and the strawberry yogurt and blend them. And once these freeze after a couple of hours, we're gonna add another layer to it and freeze that as well, so it becomes two colors. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So I'm gonna go and freeze these. Okay, Daria, now that we've frozen the watermelon, we're gonna do the next step, okay? Okay, so what's the next step? There's yogurt and banana. So should we go ahead and just cut up the banana?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go.
Doing this knife.
Yeah, you can use that knife. You do one, I'll do one. So if you don't have medium-sized bananas at home, you can always use 2 small bananas like we are here.
I wanted to always cut bananas.
Bananas are fun to cut and easy to cut too. Make sure you have child-friendly knives when you give it to your child to cut. Okay, once you're done cutting, yeah, that's fine, that's good. Take that big spoon.
This one?
Yes, and I want you to put the bananas in here. Okay, Daria, the last ingredient is strawberry yogurt. Here's a spoon. Okay, Daria, what are we gonna do now?
Blend it.
Yes, and we're gonna blend it and we're gonna add it on top of this watermelon layer, right? Right? Right. Okay, always remember that with every single one of these recipes that you have to blend, you have to add a little bit of water because it does tend to stick a little bit, especially if you're using yogurt or chunky peanut butter or things that are sticky in general. If you're doing like an electrolyte popsicle, then there's no issues because then it's completely water, but you should always add a little bit of water. All right, Daria, now that I have blended this, we're gonna add it onto the layer that we already did with the watermelon, okay, in the popsicle stand. And now that this is frozen, I'm gonna add it on top as a layer. And after you pour the yogurt, then you go ahead and freeze it again. Okay, Daria, now that we've frozen it, can you see the 2 layers?
Yeah.
What are the 2 layers?
Dark pink
Yes.
and light pink.
Yes, well, it's basically red and light pink. And so the red and light pink turns into ready, ready, bang, bang.
Yeah.
Are you ready, ready to try your popsicle?
Yeah.
Here's one for you and one for me.
Watermelon popsicles.
Try it.
I like it. I like it, Mama. Watermelon is my favorite fruit. I like it, Mama.
Oh, good. So this one is packed full of flavor because it's got bananas and it has watermelon, which are two really bold flavors, and you kind of bring it in together with the strawberry yogurt. So you can enjoy this on a hot summer day or even when your child comes home from school. And you both can sit together and enjoy your little watermelon ready, bang, bang. Are you ready to say bye?
Bye.
Bye, everyone.